In the heart of Canada, the story of police cars reflects more than just law enforcement. It tells the tale of progress itself. Once, the streets were patrolled by heavy classic sedans. Their roaring engines and steel bodies symbolized authority, yet their capabilities were limited. These machines belonged to a time when speed was relative and technology was a distant dream. But as the world changed, so did the challenges. Crime grew more sophisticated, cities expanded, and highways demanded greater speed and endurance. The Canadian police force needed vehicles that could meet these new demands. The transformation began. Out went the old patrol cars, and in came modern engineering marvels, powerful SUVs and high-performance sedans equipped with onboard computers, advanced communication systems, cameras, and sensors. Their sirens cut through silence, and their flashing lights could be seen from miles away. The contrast is striking. The old patrol classics versus today's cutting-edge machines. Two worlds separated by decades, yet united by the same mission, to protect and serve. This evolution is not just about cars. It's the story of how law enforcement stepped out of the past and into the future, carrying forward its timeless role as the shield and guardian of Canadian streets.